G'day everyone. So, welcome to another video. This is a bit of a different video. I'm not going to turn anything. I am going to finish my ISO haircut. No, this is actually a video, hopefully a first of many. What do I want to say? It's a video to show your projects. I've been sent a lot of people's work, photos, videos to view, and they are all so awesome that I can't not share. So yes, thank you to those who have sent in stuff. I hope you enjoy them. Please, yeah, go and follow these people. If I've left a link to their Facebook or Instagram or whatever, go and show them some love, because this video is very much a way of me to give back to you guys, and show what projects are out there, what people are doing out there. It's amazing stuff. Yeah, I love this community that we're in, this woodturners community. If you're just a YouTube fan, I love that too. But yeah, I've found since starting that this is a vast and huge community, and I'm so happy to be a part of it. And I really, yeah, without further ado, I am going to show off these projects to you. I hope you enjoy it. The music I'm using today is from the Wood Yogi. You can find his stuff in a link in the description, and also you'll find everyone else's link to their pages, their YouTube channels, their Instagram, their Facebook pages. And yeah, so this is a way of me saying that you guys, and showing me that you guys are all absolutely 100% awesome. Thank you. Hope you enjoy as much as I do. I'll see you all very soon.